In today's video, I am going to teach you how to import and store live price data in Google Sheets. Start by opening your Google Sheets stock watch list. This is where you will pull in live market prices so your sheet can update automatically instead of you typing prices in by hand. To keep everything organized, make sure you have a ticker symbol in one column and an empty column next to it where the live price will appear. Next, click into the cell where you want the live price to show up. In this example, the ticker is in cell A2, so the price formula will reference that ticker cell. After you click to highlight the price cell, type the Google Finance formula exactly like this, equals Google Finance, then open parentheses, then A2 in quotes, if you are using a text ticker directly, or simply a 2, if the ticker is already in that cell, followed by a comma and the word price in quotes, then close parentheses. The result should look like equals Google Finance A2 price. After you enter the formula, press enter. Google Sheets will reach out to Google Finance and return the current trading price for the ticker listed in A2. If the market is closed, it may show the last available price, and you might see a short delay before the value loads. Give it a moment to populate, especially the first time you use it. Now click to highlight the cell again so you can confirm the formula is correct in the formula bar. This is a quick way to check that the ticker reference is pointing to the right place and that the attribute is set to price. If you see an error, it usually means the ticker symbol is not recognized, the format is off, or the sheet needs a moment to refresh. Continue clicking through and highlighting the relevant cells in your watch list area as needed, so you can verify your layout and confirm the live price output is appearing where you expect it. Keeping a consistent structure, with tickers in one column and prices in the next, will make it easier to build calculations later, like dividend yield or annual income, using simple formulas based on shares, dividends, and the live price you are importing here. And that is all there is to it.